Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So let's go and open our BLUM Treasury Box so that you may see what is happening in this BLUM Treasury Box. So BLUM, they were provided this BLUM Treasury Box, which are like, it has a hidden word. So too many users like have been asking me like what is the purpose like for this treasury box. So me, even though me, I didn't know. So but too many people are predicting like maybe it is a force that they are going to like airdrop according to like how they do it in Notcoin and dogs and maybe price. So we don't know, like, since BLUM has like if there has a partnership with like any other Telegram app or any other project that it has a partnership, so they used to airdrop in the exact coin like that they have a partnership with it. So as simple as you can see, so if you open like your BLUM Treasury Box, all you need to do is to come and connect your wallet like using this arrow. So I have been connected my wallet. So let's click on you. So let's all link it and connect it together with you guys. So when you click on connect wallet, so you have to go and connect it. So me, I'm using Keeper wallet, so I will connect it together with you so that you can see. So when you connect wallet, you don't need to do anything. You just have to wait for this count dates like to be ended. So if it is like end, so maybe you are going to like see your reward. Maybe it is like a selected person that will see the reward. Maybe I will not going to give it like to anybody, but maybe it is a random reward. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.